Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Mandu Shabali, Reliance School Online Academy admission manager, and we are working about our teachers training bootcamp level 1 and level 2, and now I'm level 2, day 41. So today's my task is make a TEDx review. So starting line, now we start. What is one classroom could have not 30 students but uh, one 1 lakh students from around the world. Today, I want to talk about an inspiring TEDx talk by Peter Norving called the 100K students classroom. Peter Norving is a computer scientist and an expert in artificial intelligence. In this talk, he shared his experience of teaching and online courses that reached more than 100 lakh students worldwide. His talk focuses on how technology is changing education and making learning accessible to everyone. Peter began by explaining that education has remained mostly the same for many years. A teacher stands in front of our classroom and a student listen, but with the help of the internet, the traditional model can now be expanded beyond physical walls. He talked about an online courses he taught and artificial intelligence. This course was available for free, and students from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds joined it. Same students were beginners while other were professionals. This showed the learning has no age, no location, and no limits. One important point Peter Norving is that online learning allowed students to learn at their own pace. If a student does not understand something, they can pause the video, rewind it, and watch again. In our traditional classroom, this is not always possible. He always explained how technology help teachers improve learning. Online platform can include quizzes, assignment, and instant feedback. This help understand their mistake and learn better. Data from online courses and can help teachers see where students struggle the most. Peter Norving does not say that online education should replace teachers. Instead, he believed that technology should support and enhance traditional education. Teachers still uh, play an important role in guiding, motivating, and inspiring the students. Another powerful idea from the talk is equal access to education. Many students around the world do not have access to good teachers or institution. Online classroom give them an opportunity to learn from top experts no matter where they live. He always mentioned that online education encourage curiosity and lifelong learning. People can learn new skills anytime even even while working or managing family responsibilities. This is especially helpful in today's fast changing world. In consolation, the 1 lakh students classroom show us that education is no longer limited to one room on one city. With technology, learning can reach thousands, even millions of students. Peter Norving a talk remind us that when education becomes accessible, flexible, and inclusive, it has the power to change life and shape a better future. So thank you so much. See you next time with next another TEDx topic. Take care and goodbyes.